It's Monday morning and your corporate communication tool is lighting up. A business user has flagged that the revenue numbers in the top product sales report look wrong. In a traditional environment, this would kick off hours of manual investigation. But with Cloudera Data Lineage, we're going to isolate the root cause in minutes. I'll start here in the cross-system lineage dashboard. This is where all extracted assets are automatically harvested and organized across the estate. They're grouped into ETLs, database objects, and information consumers such as reports, so I can quickly orient the audience before I start drilling in. Finding the asset is as easy as typing its name in the search bar. From here, I open the cross-system lineage of the report. This is the Google Maps view of the data estate. It shows me where the report gets its data, how the flow moves upstream and downstream, and what the blast radius looks like if I need to make a change. At this point, I'm not just asking what feeds the report. I'm also asking what else downstream may be exposed to the same issue. That's where the value of impact analysis becomes immediately visible. Now let's dive into the inner system lineage of this asset. I want to move from the high-level map into the actual structure of the report, so I can inspect the columns and the logic behind them. Inner system lineage helps me move past the black box and understand the logic, transformations, and aggregations inside the asset. Here I can see the columns involved in the report, including the one in question, total product cost. Now I'll drill to the end-to-end lineage of this specific column. This combines the broad cross-system view with the detailed inner system view, so I can trace this field across every hop from source to report. This is where root cause analysis becomes precise. I'm tracing one business metric all the way back to the source and identifying exactly which upstream fields contribute to it. In this case, we can see the source derivation clearly across the flow. To understand the business meaning of this object, I'll open it in the Knowledge Hub. This is where technical lineage meets business context. Now, I can validate the asset using its description, technical description, owner, approval status, and governance metadata. And this is where the real issue becomes clear. The discount business rule is no longer being applied correctly, and that business rule has not been reflected in the script logic. So now I know both what is broken and why it's broken. From here, I can jump directly back into the lineage and into the script that needs to be repaired. With Live Lineage, I can open the script in a secure sandbox, test a change safely, and see the effect without touching the production. For this demo, I'll remove the unit price discount column from the script logic, but since I haven't had my morning coffee, I've broken the script. If the script is broken, I can use Optimize AI to detect the issue, explain what went wrong, and suggest the repair. Then I can apply the fix and rerun it immediately. That's the value of Live Lineage and Optimize AI together, not just tracing the issue, but repairing it faster, with less risk, and with side-by-side visibility into both the script and the lineage. Once the immediate issue is fixed, I can widen the investigation. Now, I want to understand where else this logic may matter across the estate. In Discovery, I search for unit price discount to identify all assets across all tools that may also be affected. Discovery helps me know what I don't know by grouping results by system and asset type. This is valuable for RCA, remediation planning, and broader impact analysis because it gives me an inventory of everywhere this logic or field appears. And if I want to stay focused on lineage specifically, I can also use the end-to-end lineage dashboard to search for that asset and visualize the full source to consumer map at the column level. So, the full story is, start with the broken report, understand where it sits in the estate, expand the blast radius, trace the field to its source, validate the business rule, repair the script safely with AI assistance, and then identify every other asset that may be exposed to the same issue. That's how Cloudera Data Lineage reduces root cause analysis from days to minutes and gives engineering, BI, and governance teams a shared source of truth. The same system can be applied for migrations so that you understand and plan what to migrate. For AI implementations, so you know what data you're feeding your models, and many more use cases, all making Cloudera Data Lineage your Swiss Army knife for data management.